welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Disney Plus not playing in SD. Firstly, check your subscription plans. Some subscription styles restrict your maximum video resolutions. Ensure you are on a plan that supports SD or 4K. Secondly, update data and app settings. Open the Disney Plus app and tap on your profile. Select app settings. And onto the video quality, ensure the setting is set to automatic or high. Thirdly, what you can do is web browser limitations. If you are watching on a computer via web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, Disney Plus often restricts streaming to 720p. And fourthly, ensure device and title compatibility. The content, not all titles are available in SD or 4K. Hardware, make sure you are not using inline video or game recorders. And last might be network and connection. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.